back to L&l&ls. Today,
What tree did it come off of?
I think either a tree fell. No, a branch fell. I mean, look at all that. Garbage can is all the way over there. And if you can see all the way over there, they are the
Barricades are down. Look at that one barricade laying way over here in the road.
barricade, and there's one over there on the road. You see guys lighting up? Whew, the stop sign didn't fall. And what else?
Gotta be more trees down. Huh?
There has to be more trees. Please.
Tree right there that went down.
Oh my God.
See it?
Yeah, I see it. I'll go look at it and tell me if you find any more. Oh my God. Okay, this thing right here fell. A ginormous branch fell and a big tree fell. Grandpa, come here. There's a big tree stick over there. There's one right here that became a decay. Yeah. Come here, Grandpa. What's up? You gotta look at this.
Yeah. Look at that big tree that went down.
Yeah, a big tree went down. Oh, two of them went down.
Yeah.
One fell on the other one. There's one over here that's just barricading it. See? There's one all the way over there. So it was high winds. Really high winds. Did any other Grandpa, there's chairs over here.
Oh, you're kidding me. Huh? Oh no.
Why in the world would there be chairs right here?
Because the wind blew them.
Where were they?
Right here.
How? What? So those high winds were probably really strong. Wait, one of those.
Yeah, put in a barricade all the way from
One
the
of them. That was like a tough storm. I'm gonna take a walk around the store. We hear. No, that's an ambulance.
Yeah.
Dude, a tree almost. I think a tree fell on someone.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
I'm gonna go look around the house and see if I can find any more stuff that fell.
Okay.
Is anyone else seen that fell? No. Hey, our dog's still up. Guys, you guys see that? Our dog is still up. Me and my cousin's dog's still up. These things are still good. Okay, that little thing fell. Okay. That tree right there is old, or that one's old. If there's another high winds, then that thing will that tree will fall on our house. And we all wouldn't want that. Hopefully I don't slip. Because if I slip, I gotta pee my pants. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Have a nice day. See ya.